Welcome to Richpeace CAD software online lessons. Today teach you move and rotate adjust. This tool can be used to move and rotate line in order to check and adjust the combined line if smooth, like the color hole line, shoulder side space line, armhole line, side seam line, and the bottom line. For example, first click left, select all the armhole lines. Then right-click to confirm. Next, click left, select all the side seam lines. Then click right. Now we finish the combine. Here, click left to add point. We can move point to make adjustment. At the connection point, we can press Shift key to move the control points horizontal or vertical. Until satisfied, press the right button to finish. Here, will linkage modified. On the shoulder line, first click left, select the back and front armhole line. Then click right. Next to click left, select the stitched shoulder line. Click right and adjust the combined line to smooth. Until satisfied, click right button to finish. Next, the front and back rise on a pant. We can make some adjustments. Okay, finish. Thanks for watching today's video. See you tomorrow.